Today we're going to be making butter. I'm sure those who've been my friend on Facebook for a while have seen me do it and make it a few times before, but we'll do it again. All right, the key is to whip this whipped cream till it becomes crème fraîche and then turns into butter and buttermilk. So we're going to be separating the whey from the fat. Make sure you start first speed first. You go a little faster, and later you want to cover up the top. Some of these machines come with a cover. I think I have one, I just gotta find it. I found it. So it's getting thicker and thicker, turning into whipped cream. Again, if you wanted to add sugar to it, you'll make the most amazing whipped cream, crème fraîche, you know, ice cream, you name it. But we need butter, so a few more minutes. You can see the separation, this coloring right there, starting to separate. You can clearly see it right there. It started, that's the whey, that's the butter. It's starting to separate. And there's your butter. Butter and buttermilk. That is your butter, and that's your buttermilk. I can make more buttermilk just from that. So we have our butter, the fat, and the cream, and the whey. This is buttermilk. From there, you can make whatever you want. You want to rinse your butter. You rinse your butter, and that's what we got. All right. I like stuff in my butter, so I'm gonna get some oregano and some Moroccan mint. The butter is right here, beautiful. Not only we got that much butter, about half a pound, we also got over, how many? Let's see. Yeah, over 2.5 cups, 2 cups of buttermilk. Natural buttermilk. Add in mint, chopped mint, fine, and good sea salt and oregano. You can store it in any container. I want to put it in some parchment paper. It looks like I'm going to put it in 2 ounces. Well, that's about right. The shape is up to you. And there you have it. Now you put it in the freezer for a couple hours, and then you put it in the fridge.